morning, everybody. I hope that you all are having a wonderful day. Oh, I can't tell you how happy I was to wake up this morning and have some sunshine. I still don't know if the weather is gonna stay nice. That's what the weather looks like currently. It's still quite chilly, but maybe Callum and I will at least go on a walk. It's probably too cold for a bike ride, at least for him still, but we'll probably go on a walk. I feel like a cat. You know how cats, if it's sunny in the mornings, they'll like stretch out and they'll lay on the floor and they'll just lay in the sun. I kind of feel like that. I think Callum is too, because he was sitting in the sun as well. Yeah, we're little cats. You and I, we're little cats. You're a little monkey. Yeah, you're a little gorilla baby, just rolling around on the floor, playing with your feet. Little gorilla baby. Oh, wow, cool moves. Woo! Oh, left and right. Are you swaying? You dancing? I decided to take Callum on a walk. It's just, we needed to get some fresh air. And if it's not raining, then we're going outside. It's been a very long time since I've gone on a walk. Normally we ride bikes and stuff now. That seems to be more entertaining for Callum at least, but he seems okay in the stroller today. So I'm going to enjoy this. I think the last time I was here it wasn't so green, but here are the beginnings of apples. Little baby apples. We'll be able to get those in the fall. Oh, wow, and look, Callum, there are sheep. They've been shaved. They don't have any more hair. Yeah, sheep. Bah. They're nude. Yeah, they've been shaved. Wow. Aw, they're so sweet, just eating all the grass. They're eating all the grass? What does sheep say? Bah! Oh. Oh, it's a little one. It's a little lamb. It's a lamb. It's a lamb. It's a baby. Oh. Yeah. Oh, we're getting friends. We're getting friends. That's a sheep. Oh. What? They're talking to you. They're saying, hi, Callum. Hi, Callum. That's what they're saying. Huh? Yeah. You ready to keep walking? Okay, come on. Bye-bye, sheep. Yeah, bye-bye. That one's talkative. Oh, maybe that's the mama. Are you the mama? Are you the mama with your baby?
No.
No? You don't think that's the mama? Oh.
No.
Okay, we'll keep walking. That's one thing that I love about Germany is you just never know what you're gonna find when you go on your walks. It's always unpredictable. There are always animals out. Continuing on our walk, going uphill so that mommy can work out her legs. The vineyards sure are growing now. It's amazing how quickly they grow. Look at that, Callum. Look at that. It's where you were born. Gorgeous. This is where you were born, Callum. Yeah, you were born here in Germany. Gosh, it's just so beautiful. Now Callum decided to walk. He wanted to help push. I really wanted to get some sort of physical exercise today, so I put him in the stroller so that I could go at a quicker pace. But we've been gone for an hour now, so I figured, you know, I'll go ahead and take him out of the stroller and let him walk home. And he's quite content with this. And it keeps him awake so that he goes to sleep at home. Good job, you're so strong. You are single-handedly pushing the stroller. I mean, oops, mommy should probably steer it. Uh-oh. But you're doing so well. Yeah. Good job. Oh, you done? Is that enough? I love this building for some reason. I just love that. Where are you going? Come on. We finally made it to the playground. And this little boy is happy. Oh, sorry. I need to get back on the swing, huh? Okay, okay, okay. So strange. There we go. There we go. He's getting so big. We just can't win. It's just so dark. I think we went at the right time though, because now it's really starting to get windy and I think it might rain again this afternoon. I'm not sure, I just think, but that's just how it looks. You having fun? Ooh, you can sit on him. You want to sit on him? Woo! You want to go down the slide? Und jetzt? Come on! Yeah, come on! Come on! Come on! Oh, come on, Callum. Yeah, come on! Come on! Come on! You want mommy? Whee! Yay! Yay! You did it! Come on. Callum. Oh. He's having fun. Callum. We're at Toby Doo in Stuttgart. We're supposed to be meeting someone here, but we're just having fun in the meantime. He's having fun. Come on. Come on. That's not easy. Come on. Whee! Good job. Yeah, good job. Oh my. Oh my. What are you doing?
Thinking of transferring some of your videos on here again.
Oh yeah, that might be a good idea. We got some stuff in the mail today, and Callum got some little trucks and things. Yeah, you have some trucks? Where are your trucks? Huh? Maybe not. Okay. sorry. Sorry for putting you down. I'm sorry. I'm a terrible mother. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I have to admit, I do think it's very sweet that he wants to be in my arms all the time. Why is the little lid right there?
Ask him.
You like your trucks, Callum? You like your trucks?
D40.
A D40?
Excavator.
Are you serious? You know this?
No, it's...
Does it say that?
Excavator.
Oh.
Was it a dozer? It's probably a dozer.
A bulldozer? I don't think we call them dozers.
Well, that's what they do on the show.
They call them dozers?
What a D40.
A D40?
I don't know. I have to look it up.
I don't know trucks that well. You like your trucks? Yeah, those are fun. Those are super fun. And of course the wheels. Are you in a better mood? I hear Papa's belly growling.
No.
He's cracking me up right now. He's just sitting, looking, smiling. Ooh.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Ooh. Ooh. Are they having a wreck? That's a crazy crash. This is like, what are those big trucks that jump on top of things and monster trucks?
Mm-hmm.
You were so funny. You were cracking me up. Oh.
Oh no, a D40 is like a... It's like a truck.
Mm-hmm. He's so funny. You just make us laugh. He's so serious right now.
Yeah, I have to find the right machinery.
No, he is so serious right now. Up close.
Yeah, that's a dozer.
I'm so close to his face right now and he doesn't even care.
Whoa.
Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and end the vlog. Thank you for watching. And please leave us a comment and give us an old thumbs up on this video. And if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. It's free and it keeps you up to date on all of our videos. And hey, stop, boy. Anyways, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye.